Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we have something special to discuss, the Dell 2023 Inspiron 3000 Business Laptop. Packed with impressive features and the latest technology. This laptop is designed to meet the needs of business professionals and students alike. So, let's dive right in and explore what this powerful machine has to offer. Let's start with the design. The Dell Inspiron 3000 sports a sleek and professional look with its black finish, giving it an elegant and sophisticated appearance. Its compact and lightweight design makes it highly portable, perfect for those who are always on the go. Moving on to the display, this laptop features a 15.6-inch Full HD touchscreen, delivering vibrant colors and crisp visuals. Whether you're working on spreadsheets, editing photos, or streaming videos, the display provides an immersive viewing experience with excellent clarity. Under the hood, the Dell Inspiron 3000 is powered by the 12th generation Intel Core i7-1255U processor. With its high processing power and efficiency, you can tackle demanding tasks and multitask seamlessly. From running resource-intensive applications to handling complex computations, this laptop delivers impressive performance. When it comes to memory, this laptop comes equipped with 16GB DDR4 RAM, ensuring smooth and lag-free performance even when handling multiple applications simultaneously. It provides ample room for efficient multitasking, enabling you to work on various projects without any slowdowns. In terms of storage, the Dell Inspiron 3000 offers a spacious 512GB PCIe SSD. This solid-state drive not only provides lightning-fast boot times and data transfer speeds, but also offers ample space for storing your files, documents, and multimedia content. Graphics-wise, this laptop is equipped with integrated Intel UHD graphics, which delivers decent visual performance for everyday tasks and multimedia consumption. While it may not be designed for hardcore gaming, it can handle casual gaming and multimedia editing with ease. Now, let's talk about the keyboard and trackpad. The Dell Inspiron 3000 features a comfortable and responsive keyboard, allowing for accurate and efficient typing. The trackpad is also smooth and responsive, providing precise cursor control and gesture support. In terms of connectivity, this laptop offers a range of options. It features Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth, enabling fast and reliable wireless connections. Additionally, it comes with an HDMI port, an SD card reader, and other essential ports, allowing you to connect to external displays, transfer files, and connect various peripherals. Speaker. The Dell Inspiron 3000 is equipped with stereo speakers that deliver clear and immersive audio. Whether you're watching movies, video conferencing, or listening to music, the speakers offer a satisfying audio experience. Battery life. When it comes to battery life, this laptop features a long-lasting battery that keeps you productive throughout the day. With its efficient power management, you can confidently work on your tasks without worrying about running out of battery. Cooling. To ensure optimal performance, this laptop is equipped with an efficient cooling system that keeps the device cool even during intensive usage. The heat dissipation technology prevents overheating, allowing for a smooth and stable operation. Webcam. Inspiron 3000 also features a built-in webcam, perfect for video conferencing, online meetings, and staying connected with family and friends. The webcam captures clear and sharp video, ensuring that you are always seen and heard with clarity. Operating system. On the software side, the Dell Inspiron 3000 comes with the latest operating system, Windows 11 Pro. This operating system offers a user-friendly interface, enhanced security features, and improved performance, providing a seamless and efficient computing experience. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Dell Inspiron 3000 business laptop offers an impressive package of features suitable for business professionals and students. With its sleek design, vibrant display, powerful processor, ample memory and storage, reliable connectivity options, and other noteworthy components, it caters to your productivity needs. Now, let's take a quick look at the specification table to summarize the key features of the Dell Inspiron 3000 business laptop. And that wraps up our overview of the Dell 2023 Inspiron 3000 business laptop. If you're interested in purchasing this laptop, please check the description below for the Amazon buy link. Remember to make an informed decision based on your specific requirements. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech reviews and updates. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time.